Hi, I'm Andrei Mincov, the founder of Trademark Factory. And in this video, I want to add a new perspective on trademarking and show you how trademarks for your business compare to your car insurance.
Get it trademarked with Trademark Factory.
Okay, there are 3 similarities and 3 differences between trademarks and car insurance. Let's start with similarities first. Number 1, you must do both, even though you don't want to do either, right? So both are necessary evils, right? You've got mandatory car insurance. You don't have mandatory trademarking for your business, but if you're serious about your business, it's just one of those things you got to do, right? Nobody ever woke up and said, hey, I'm so excited because today I will be buying my car insurance, right? The same thing with trademarks. Nobody wakes up and says, hey, I'm so excited because today I'm going to go and file my trademark application, right? We're excited about trademarks because that's what we do. But brand owners, to them, it's necessary evil. I get that. So same attitude between car insurance and trademarks on that front. The second similarity is that both trademarks and car insurance protect you in case something bad happens, right? Car insurance is supposed to protect you if you have an accident, God forbid you kill someone or damage somebody's property, right? Your insurance policy is going to pay for that, is going to protect you, is going to make sure that you have the money to replace your car, to pay the victim, whatever, right? Same thing with trademarks. They're designed to help you in case somebody steals your brand, in case somebody tries to push you out of your own brand, in case you see that somebody is trying to pass off their products and services as yours. So if you have a trademark registration, you can easily go after them and win, and it won't cost nearly as much as it would without your trademark registration. Okay. The third similarity between car insurance and trademarks is that if something bad happens and you don't have it, you are screwed. So with car insurance, right? Yes, it's mandatory, but let's say you're not paying and you go out there and I don't know, you cause a big collision, maybe somebody dies, and they come to you and say, well, okay, what's your insurance number? And you're like, you know what? I don't have it. So this can easily bankrupt you, and this could easily put an end to your life as you know it, because this can cost a lot of money dealing with that stuff. And that would be the first question everyone asks: do you have insurance? What is it, right? And if you don't have it, like, oh wow. Same thing with trademarks, right? Somebody steals your mark, and you're like, you can't steal my mark; it's my brand. Well, the first question they're going to ask, well, do you have a trademark? And if your answer is no, everyone will go, oh my God, it's such a facepalm moment, right? Because everyone expects you that if you care about your brand, that you take the steps to protect your brand. And if you don't, then you got a problem. So here are the similarities, right? So you got to do both. Both are necessary evil. Both protect you in case something bad happens. And also, if something bad happens and if you don't have it, you are screwed. So that's the similarities. There are also 3 differences. The first difference is that car insurance, you got to renew every year. You got to pay for it every year. You can have a monthly plan. You can have a 6-month plan. You can have whatever, right? And the costs, right? The average cost of insurance, again, in North America ranges anywhere from probably $2,000, maybe $1,500 to $3,000-$4,000 a year, depending on your experience, all of that stuff. And you have to pay every year. Pay and pay and pay and pay, right? With trademarks, you do it once every 10 years. And then to renew it, you pay just a couple of $100. So in fact, the cost of owning your trademark for your business is much, much less than what you're paying for your car insurance. So that's the big difference. The second big difference is that unlike car insurance, a trademark is an asset that you can sell or license. And often it's the most valuable asset of your business. Like, for example, Nike brand, the swoosh, is worth, I think it's $47 billion when the entire valuation of the whole company is just 90, right? So the 47 of that is just the name and the logo. Amazon brand is worth over $300 billion, and so is Apple's. So the brand is really the most valuable asset of the business. Your car insurance is just a liability. It's not an asset. It has no value to anybody but you. And trademarks, like I said, you can sell them, you can license them, you can do very creative business with them. Trademarks can help you make money, and that's the biggest benefit of trademarks. And finally, here's the third difference. Unlike car insurance, the value of your trademark grows the longer you use your brand, right? Because trademarks are not about just getting a monopoly over a name or an image. They're about protecting the goodwill you have built around your brand. That's why the Nike brand, the Amazon, the Apple, all of those big brands, that's why they're so valuable, because so many people know about them. So the longer you've been building them, the more money you've invested in promoting them, the more value your trademark is going to have. Well, your car, the more you drive it, well, it's less and less valuable to insure. So when you buy a new car, you're like, well, okay, I want to make sure that I get the liability to pay somebody else, but I also want to make sure that I protect my own investment. So if I get hit, that the insurance company pays, or if it gets stolen. But you've been driving your car and driving, and when your car is 20 years old, you're like, I shouldn't be paying insurance in case somebody steals it, because at this point, I don't really care anymore, right? So that's the big difference. The three differences, again, you pay car insurance every year and trademarks every 10 years, and then renewals is very cheap. With car insurance, you're going to end up paying a lot more for the privilege of being able to drive your car. And with trademarks, you're building a really valuable asset, and you only pay serious amount of money upfront. And then unlike car insurance, trademark is an asset. Car insurance is not an asset. And also unlike car insurance, the value of your trademark grows the longer you use your brand. That does not happen with car insurance. So there you have it. 3 things in common and 3 things that are different between trademarks and car insurance. So if you are a startup, an entrepreneur, or a small business, and you want to get your trademarks done right, follow the link in the description to this video and see how Trademark Factory can help you secure your brand. Make sure you treat your brand, you treat your business at least as seriously as you're treating your car insurance, right? And until then, I will see you in the next video.